What consumes the most time in your drafting workflow? Usually it's dimensioning, modifying, and repetitive tasks. CADian 2026 has tackled these exact pain points. You can now place dimensions and generate centerlines in a single step and execute copy, move, trim, and offset commands faster than ever. Let's walk through the key new features in CADian 2026, covering dimensions, detail views, drafting, and modification.
Let's first tackle dimensions, the most frequently used feature in CAD design. In CADian 2026, dimensioning has become significantly smarter and more versatile. Execute SDM, the Smart Dimension command, to access various dynamic options. While you can manually select a dimension style in the Options dialog, you can also simply copy any existing dimension style within your drawing. Even for complex geometry, simply define the boundary, and horizontal, vertical, and diameter dimensions are generated instantly.
You can even dimension objects inside a block without exploding. You can insert smart dimensions repeatedly until you exit the command. Plus, the Options dialog remains semi-transparent, allowing you to visually verify that dimensions are being placed correctly. You can also adjust the dimension scale directly from the Options dialog. Next is the automatic placement of horizontal chain dimension and vertical paired dimensions. If you want dimensions in a specific direction only, you can simply move your cursor in that direction. In areas with limited space, you may need to align dimension text vertically. Simply by aligning their placement, your drawing becomes much more polished and professional. You can add the diameter symbol with just a single click and automatically generate leader lines for XY coordinates instantly. Specifying tolerances is also crucial in drafting. Try using the STOL command for smart tolerance.
Next is the Smart Detail feature, designed to generate detail views efficiently. You can create circular or rectangular detail views by defining a new boundary or selecting an existing one. Detail views are essential for emphasizing critical areas for clear communication, but creating them manually can often be tedious. With the Smart Detail Generator, however, you can easily generate detail views with just a few clicks.
Your everyday, tedious task, drawing center lines on circles, rectangles, and between two lines. Now, simply run the command and select the object to generate center lines effortlessly. For the ML2 Multileader command, simply type your text and press Enter to create as many lines as you need. Still drawing leaders and balloons manually? Now simply use the Tag command to create them with just a click.
Now let's look at features designed to speed up your drawing modifications. The modification tools in CADian 2026 focus on minimizing repetitive clicks and completing tasks in a single action. Now, you can offset a line to a specific length and automatically cap both ends, all in one step. We have assigned shortcuts to automatically apply frequently used line types after an offset. From now on, easily apply outline, center, hidden, and phantom lines with greater speed and convenience. The standard mirror command requires you to specify 2 points for the mirror line. However, MI2 requires just 1 click anywhere on the reference line. By selecting multiple reference lines, you can even perform a double mirror. Finally, the www command, which trims all objects along a specified fence, is also an incredibly convenient tool for drawing modification.
We have explored the diverse new features of CADian 2026, covering dimensions, detail views, drafting, and modifications. We hope you find them useful. Minimize repetition, greater precision. Experience the all-new CADian 2026.